He's asking, according to one of the prophecies of promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam in his book Nur al-Haq, that he tried to translate the prophecy. I see that some people of Mecca entering the army or the party of which belongs to God. And this is from Allah, and it might seem strange in the eyes of the people on this earth. What does this prophecy mean in the light of what was
actually in Mecca?
Yeah. What has been said in Surah An-Nasr? This is one part.
Yes, I understand. You know, many of the prophecies of Hazrat Masih ﷺ were ununderstandable in that time, because he spoke of one becoming a crore and spreading all over the world, all the corners of the earth, while the mullahs were trying that his voice should be choked within Qadian. So it spread and spread and spread, and already it is touching all the corners of the world. So the time of the fulfillment of prophecy is in Allah's hand. But I have noticed that all his prophecies are definitely fulfilled. People may look with wonder at something which is too big to be prophesied, but it does happen. So look at the past prophecies and how they have got fulfilled, and from that get an encouragement for the future as well.